It is the name given to climbing birds with colorful feathers from the parrot family. They also live in Asia and Africa, less in South America and the ocean. The parrot has curved and short legs and a thick beak. Their feet have 4 toes, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Its main feature is that it can imitate the human voice. Although the words she says do not exceed a few words, there are types that repeat long sentences without surprise. Parrots have shiny, long and beautiful plumage. Brightly colored feathers such as red, yellow and green make the bird look much more beautiful than it is. They find buyers for high prices for their ability to imitate speech. They find buyers for high prices for their ability to imitate speech. They don't fly well. They make their nests in tree cavities or rock crevices. Small species, as well as large ones that lay 1 to 2 eggs a year, lay more eggs. They eat food items such as soft fruits or grain seeds. They do not like hard fruits.